In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. This is a quick way to tidy up your spreadsheet so everything lines up neatly and is easier to read whether you're sharing it with teammates or prepping it for printing. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in your web browser. Make sure the sheet you want to edit is visible. If you're working with multiple tabs, click the tab that contains the columns you want to adjust. Next, highlight the columns you want to make the same width. Click the letter at the top of a column to select it. If you want several columns to match, you can click and drag across multiple column letters to highlight them all at once. You can also hold Shift and click the first and last column in a range to select everything in between. If your goal is to make every column in the sheet the same width, you can highlight all columns by selecting the entire sheet first, then proceed. The key idea here is that any columns you highlight will be set to the exact same width in the next step. Now move your mouse to the line between any two column headers within your selection. Hover right on the boundary until your cursor changes to a left-right arrow. That arrow is your resize handle, and it tells you you're in the right spot to adjust column width. Click and drag that boundary to the left to make the columns narrower, or to the right to make them wider. While you drag, you may see a small tooltip showing the width in pixels, which is helpful if you want a specific, consistent number. When you release the mouse, every column you highlighted will snap to that exact same width. If you selected the entire sheet, that means all columns now match. Take a quick look across your data to make sure text is no longer cramped or spilling, and adjust again if needed. A few tips to dial this in. If you go too far, press undo to step back. For precise control, zoom in slightly in your browser, then resize again. If some content still wraps awkwardly, consider widening a bit more. So headers and values are easy to scan. And remember, this change only applies to the columns you highlighted, so you're always in control of what gets updated. That's it. By selecting the columns first, hovering on the boundary and dragging, you get perfectly consistent widths in just a few seconds.